Welcome to Margaritaville Resort Orlando. What is up in the loop, fans? It's Drew here at a weird location. Margaritaville Water Park is coming to town. It's a big resort. There's going to be homes, hotels, obviously the restaurant, and some water slides. So here we got some water slide construction going on over here. Some pretty cool stuff to look at. It's right off of 192. So lots of cool stuff coming on here. So we got this angle. Lots of supports and some steep slides. Let's go see what else we can find. So over here we have a side view of the water slides going in. This one appears to be a mat racer. And then you've got some steeper body slide over here. And a enclosed body slide looks like it's right next to it. So obviously you get a big structure coming in over here. Lots of water slides coming. And you gotta imagine that all of these levels are gonna get slides. So while that one's under construction here, there's nothing attached to that guy. And there's, looks like it's poles that could go up higher. And we got one slide going over here, but plenty more supports coming for more slide action. And one final look here of this water park construction over here. That slide looks coming in nicely, and then we've got other ones coming in as well. What you guys doing?